My name's Jonathan Fennell. I'm dairy and beef farming about 3 miles outside Carlow town, milking about 120 cows, calving 40% in the autumn, 60% in the spring, and would rear on all the calves to either replacements or beef. We're milking the 120 cows in a 12-unit herringbone parlour, a 12,000 litre milk tank, and we'd also have an ice maker for chilled water running off nitrate electricity. And for hot water, we'd have two 200-litre water tanks on nitrate as well, and we'd also pump our own drinking water. I'd looked at various different types of renewable energy, trying to cut costs. After looking around, I thought solar PV was the best fit. All the panels could go up neatly on shed roofs, wouldn't intrude in any space. It also helps supply quite a bit of hot water. It would take a lot of pressure off the water heaters, and it would also supply a fair bit of the running costs of an automatic calf feeder. I found AEI at the 2019 Ploughing Championships. I was doing some business with EFS heat time tags, who I also use for heat detection collars, and I got talking to Darren and the team about PV panels and went from there. The installation process took 2 days. They were very professional, very clean. They turned up when they said they would. They were here early March and it couldn't have been easier. The power was off for a maximum of half an hour on the final day while they connected in, and they gave me plenty of notice of that. AEI first did an initial site visit and then PV Sol design. They went through everything. They went through the TAMS, the SEI grants available. I was applying under TAMS. They helped me with all the paperwork, all the forms, and they did the forms for the ESB. The farm is 100% reliant on electricity from the grid. I was trying to reduce that and save costs. The solar PV system will supply a good percentage of my daily electricity, and excess electricity will be stored in the batteries for use during periods of high consumption. Excess electricity generated will also be used to heat water heaters. Possibly saved about 40% of my water heater running costs in the last 4 months. From the initial meeting right through any planning and installation and follow-up visits with paperwork and grant information, AEI have been very helpful, very efficient. In 4 months, saved me 500 quid. I would definitely recommend AEI to any other farmer or business.